We have details about the secret location of Mapy and Luna. We need to destroy them and everything they have built.
Luna, we need to do something. Noxy has our location details. See this Excel sheet I got by hacking into Noxy's device.
This is alarming. How can we avoid this?
No need to worry. I have got this file from Noxy's device by hacking into it. We just need to edit and manipulate this data, and Noxy's attack will fail.
That's great. I want to help too. But can you help me with MS Excel and how to edit the data in it?
Surely, I'll tell you about MS Excel in this upcoming lesson. And then you can complete these things.